lifter. It's My Move is a theatre programme about the transition of learning disabled people from school into adult life.
We've done loads of interviews. It was really interesting, wasn't it?
That's right,
with,
yeah.
Students, with teachers, with transition professionals, all about their experiences of transition.
Wait for me!
Exciting! 1-1. Oh, twat!
You're right, Warren.
I can't get in!
Now, we follow the story of 6 students who are going through that maze of complicated decisions and choices around transition.
It will help me to know what I'm going to do in the future.
Oh, are you here on the visit?
Yes.
Oh, come in. Pleased to meet you.
One thing I like is that for young boy who done lots of superhero drawing, because superheroes my thing.
This isn't art. No, you need to get yourself some oils, young man. Learn to paint.
No, I only like to draw. Well, if I can't do my comics, I'm not going to do anything. I'm going home, man.
In our piece, we've got 5 learning disabled actors, and we've performed to over 4,000 young people across the country over the past 4 years.
The aims and also the outcomes of the transition programme is all about reducing anxiety, both for young people and also the parents as well.
A lot of parents don't know about the choices, they don't know about local offer, and I think that's something that's fundamental for parents to know about. So it really helps reduce that anxiety.
We have to make sure that their voices are heard, and we need to be listening to them.
I want to be a DJ. I love music.
And I think sometimes the parents as well, with the mum and the young man, Warren, that sort of cushioning and not allowing them to go out there and experience the life in general.
We also, and very importantly, want to be able to help young people to express and communicate their own choices and decisions.
What do you want?
My choice.
What will you use?
My voice.
What will you do?
My plan.
Can you do it?
Yes, I can.
And following the play, we ask the audience to come up and help the students to negotiate those choices.
It's my choice.
No!
Oh, whose choice is it then?
Warren's choice!
It's my choice, it's my life. I want to be happy.
It was amazing. And I liked the acting, and I thought the acting was really fantastic. It learned me how to be confident when I finished school. It gave me confidence to go to college and not be scared.
I really like the way that It's My Move is accessible to everybody, so that it's Makaton for students that are non-verbal, students that have sight problems, students in wheelchairs. It's accessible to everybody, and that's the most important part of it.
The show has been very successful, with 95% of students, parents, teachers and carers feeding back that they highly enjoyed it. And 85% said it reduced anxiety around transition, and 91% said they were more confident about finding the help that they need. So if you are interested in the show, typically we tour in the autumn term.
Yeah, and we travel nationally to theatres, to schools, to colleges and day services as well.
Yep, all over. We could do 2 shows in a day. We've got 2 different versions of the show, and we also do a post-performance workshop as well for those who are interested in getting into the creative arts as well. So come and see it. If you'd like some more information, give us an email at info@facefront.org.
I want them to understand of moving on your life and not to stay in one place. And the people who's out there, please make sure you make the right choices and have a nice time.
I think it's brilliant.
It's really good and really passionate about how they're feeling.
It was amazing, it was fascinating, it made me happy.
Really thoroughly enjoyed it.